How to auto-translate a YouTube video into your language. Hi guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to auto-translate a YouTube video into your language. So let's get started. If you're watching a video on YouTube and you find it difficult to understand and you want to auto-translate into your language, it's actually really easy to do. First, get to YouTube and play the video of your choice. I'm gonna go ahead and play a random video from here. So we have this video playing and you can see there is no caption here. In order to enable the captions, you can click on this option, which is the subtitles and closed captions. So if you just click on it, you will be able to see now auto captions have been generated. You can see the captions. Now the next step is going to be clicking on the settings right here. And then you have to click on subtitles. It will show you the available languages and you can see it's auto-generated. We can also auto-translate our English captions into another language. So you're going to click on auto-translate and it'll show you all the languages right here. And you can select the language of your choice. I'm going to go ahead and select French. So if I just click on the language, you will see now the English has been translated into French. Similarly, I can check out other languages and you can select your language here in the auto translate section. This way, you can translate YouTube video into your language. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.